Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bishnumm. If this is your first time on my channel, so I'm a flight attendant and I record a little bit of my life and post those on YouTube. So if you are interested in what I do in my day-to-day life or how I spent my layover, watch this video. It's a very interesting video. I do eat a lot. So yeah, if you want to see what a flight attendant does on her layover, continue watching. So much love. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye-bye. Hi, good morning. I just woke up and I'm about to eat. Okay. I'm gonna go to the gym today, but I can't go to the gym without eating a little bit. Oh shit, I should have showed you guys. So I got this. This is one of the food that I ordered yesterday. Since I ordered so much food yesterday, I couldn't eat all of it because I was already pretty full. So I'm gonna eat maybe like half of this and then go to the gym. Rest for like 10 minutes and then go to the gym and go to the gym and then come back and then eat the rest of the other half. So good. Freaking broke my, what the hell? That's insane. Oh no. That was good. This soup kind of smells weird, but it's still good. I think the broth, they made the broth with like, I don't even know what. It smells like dirty rice water. So when you like wash your rice and stuff, you get that dirty water. Smells like that. Alright. Ten-minute break and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, so my 20 minutes or 10 minutes has been about an hour. I gotta get up. I've been so lazy. Okay. Just got back from the gym. I'm actually really tired. I did a lot of leg workout because I need to make my leg stronger. That's why I've been like working out on my legs a lot and obviously my butt and that's not. How do guys move their thing? It's not working. Anyways, drank a lot of water, so I'm not hungry yet. For some weird reason, I'm not hungry. But even though I do want to eat, I'm not quite hungry. And I was going to take a shower, but then I'm thinking I'm gonna go to the pool and just like get inside a pool and then go outside and just lay outside in the like a sun-ish, maybe, whatever, like outside. So let me do that. So I came up to my room to change. I was gonna go right there, but then I was kind of, I don't know, I still wanted to do that. But anyways, I'm gonna go outside. So I decided not to go to the pool and decided to finish up my eating and probably wash up and go to bed. What else I could do is I can go and just lay down. I don't need to go to the pool. Okay. It's about to be 3. I'm about to finish it. Okay. So it's about like 3:15ish, something like that. I took a shower and I did my hair. I didn't wash my hair because I don't know. Still wanted to wash my hair. I think I look reasonably cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna sit in an online FaceTime thing. It's called OMEGLE, I think. OMEGLE, something like that. I haven't done it. I have never done it by myself. I did it once when I was in like freshman year of high school with my friends, and then we saw Ed Sheeran. So that was nice. I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup, not a lot, just moisturize and maybe like under eye, whatever, because I think I look pretty cute. Don't need a lot. Plus, I'm not even going anywhere. I might go for a walk, but nothing crazy much. But it wouldn't be bad to get ready for that, right? Alright, so I am ready. I think I look okay. I mean, I think my makeup is like really pretty actually. So let's see. Where do I want to do this? I think I'm gonna do it right here, so the light can, like, you know. Let me set it up first. Okay, so I have my laptop right in front of me. The setup is kind of messed up, but whatever. I was trying to put my phone in charge while I was doing this, but I couldn't. So I'm just. Should I screen record this? How do I screen record? Alright, so I tried screen recording, but it's not working. I don't know, for some reason. So I'll just put you guys right here and then like try to show you guys. I can move forward and then I'll do this, so you guys can see it as well. Okay, what's going on? I'm so confused on what I need to do to get all this started, because every time I go in, oh, okay, I see. I think I know kind of what I'm doing. So the one where it says, what do you want to talk about? I said anything. Boys. Life. School. Work. TikTok. And oh, okay, I don't know. It says error connecting to server. Please try again. What is that freaking supposed to mean? Is it saying like my internet is not working? Okay, stop. Okay, oh my god, I cannot. So, like, this is what's happening. Let me show you. What does this mean? What the heck in the world am I doing so wrong? Let me go again. Let me go to Google and then do OMEGLE one more time. Is it OMEGLE? OMEGLE. OMEGLE. I don't know, for some reason I keep on saying OMEGLE. I was on the right page. Is it because I'm in Canada it's not letting me? Because I think people from Canada do it too, I'm sure. What am I doing so wrong? Oh. That's what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. I see a girl that's like naked. What the fuck is this? Okay, where do I go? What happened? I'm back at it again, the same girl. Like, I'm trying to move away from her. This is weird. Okay, there is a section where it says switch to text or on moderate selection. And when I clicked on moderate selection, I think that means like sexual kind of area. And so I don't want that. In this like normal section, it keeps on saying error connection to service, blah blah blah. So I don't know what's going on. This is weird. Okay, I'm done with this, okay? Well, it didn't quite work for me, and I think... Okay, I'm so confused. So there's like a normal chatting too, right? I thought. Because I was like planning on talking to people. What the heck is going on? I'm fucking done now. I'm out of here. Okay, yeah, that didn't work for me, so I'm done with this. Okay. At least I did makeup. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a walk and I don't know. Oh my god, my life is so boring. This place is so horrible. Look at my view. That's what I have to look at every day. That's my view. Here to go on a walk, looking all pretty. Look at this. Oh, whoop. Alright, I'm gonna go. When I say I'm going for a walk, it's nothing fancy. It's just walking around and looking at all this. Ooh, I look nice from this side. This is nice. And there's like this thing right here. There were like people playing earlier, but I guess they're just the left. Ow. Okay, yeah, there. Okay, so I came. Am I going there? Okay. So I came back. So I came back from my walk. I talked to my family and stuff, and then I did a little bit of TikTok, and now I'm going to the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna meet up with some of the Indian crew and just chill at the pool for a bit, and then yeah, nothing much. So I bought this shirt from TJ Maxx.
Lower level going up.
I need to charge my phone, so I gotta find an outlet. Oh, I don't know if there is any outlet in here. I don't think there's any outlet in here. What am I gonna do now? Shit. Yeah. Whatever. So I did my video before they came in, so I'm gonna go inside the pool now. Bye. So let me take this off. My hair is so wet. Okay. So I just came back from the pool. I took a shower, and now I'm just chilling in my room. So one of the Indian friends that I met, she's coming down to my room and bringing some food. So I'm gonna eat some Indian food again. So I'm happy.
No, those boys at the place.
They can come join us.
Huh?
They can come join us if you want.
Let them be. I don't care.
Thank you for the food. Oh my god. Alright, so yeah, my friend just went to her room, and yeah, that's it. We had such a nice lunch. I mean dinner. Such good food. Now I'm just going to turn all the lights off and watch Lucifer and go to sleep. That was my day. That's the day of a flight attendant. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys like that video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and just subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and lots of love. Bye-bye. Subscribe.